Hello everyone, Miss Rita here. Today in Geometry, chapter number 3, Triangles, practice set number 3.1. Already we have completed till the question number 5. Today we will continue with the question number 6 to question number 10. Question number 6. In the figure, line AB is parallel to line DE. Find the measure of angle DRE and angle ARE using given measure of some angles. Now student, the information which we have through the diagram, line AB is parallel to line DE and line AD is transversal. Angle BAD is given 70 degree and angle DRE is given 40 degree. Here we have to find measure angle DRE and measure of angle ARE. Solution. Now student, line AB is parallel to line DE and line AD is transversal. Therefore, angle BAD is congruent to angle ADE. They form alternate angle theorem. Angle BAD is equal to 70 degree. It is a given information. Therefore, angle ADE equal to 70 degree. Equation number 1. Angle EDR equal to 70 degree. They form same angle but with the different name. Now student, in triangle RDE, angle EDR plus angle DER plus angle DRE equal to 180 degree. Sum of measure of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Substitute the value of angle EDR 70 degree and angle DER 40 degree. Here we get 110 degree plus angle DRE equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle DRE equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree. After subtracting, we get angle DRE is 70 degree. Angle ARE equal to angle EDR plus angle DER. They form remote interior angles. Substitute the value of given angle. EDR is given 70 degree, angle DER is given 40 degree. Therefore, angle ARE is 110 degree. Now student, we'll start with the question number 7. In triangle ABC, bisector of angle A and angle B intersect at point O. If angle C is given 70 degree, find measure of angle AOB. Now, given information is in triangle ABC, angle C is given 70 degree. To find measure of angle AOB. Solution. Let us assume angle A be 2x and angle B be 2y. Angle OAB equal to half of angle A. Ray AO is the bisector of angle A. Now substitute the value of angle A 2x degree. After cancelling with 2, we get angle OAB equal to x degree, equation number 1. Same way we will do angle OBA equal to half of angle B. Ray BO is bisector of angle B. Substitute the value of angle B is given 2y degree. Cancel 2. We will get angle OBA equal to y degree. That is the equation number 2. Now in the triangle ABC, as we know, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Sum of measure of all the angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Substitute the value of angle A 2x, angle B 2y plus angle C is given 70 degree equal to 180 degree. Therefore 2 is the common from 2x and 2y. Now 2x degree plus y degree plus 70 degree equal to 180 degree. 70 will go to the right side, become minus. So 2x degree plus y degree equal to 110 degree. Here we get x plus y equal to 110 degree divided by 2. So x degree plus y degree we get 110 divided by 2, we get 55 degree. That is equation number 3. In triangle AOB, if we add all the three angles of given triangle AOB, angle AOB plus angle OAB plus angle OBA equal to 180 degree. Sum of measure of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Angle AOB plus x degree plus y degree equal to 180 degree we get from first and second. Therefore, angle AOB plus x plus y we get 55 degree from the equation number 3 equal to 180 degree. Angle AOB equal to 180 degree minus 55 degree. Here we get angle AOB equal to 125 degree. Question number 8. In the figure, line AB parallel to line CD and line PQ is the transversal. Ray PT and ray QT are bisector of angle BPQ and angle PQD respectively. Prove that measure of angle PTQ is 90 degree. Here we have given information line AB is parallel to line CD and line PQ is the transversal. We have to prove measure angle PTQ is 90 degree. Proof. Let us assume angle BPQ is 2x degree, angle PQD is 2y degree. With equation number 1. Angle TPQ equal to half of angle BPQ. Ray PT is the bisector of angle BPQ equal to half into BPQ value is given 2x degree from first. Therefore, we get angle TPQ is x degree. Give the equation number 2. Angle TQP equal to half of angle PQD. Here, ray QT is the bisector of angle PQD equal to half into 2y degree. The value of angle PQD we get from first. Therefore, angle TQP is equal to y degree. Equation number 3. Now student, line AB is parallel to line CD and the line PQ is the transversal. Angle BPQ plus angle PQD equal to 180 degree. They form interior angle. Now student, here we have the value of angle BPQ is 2x degree plus angle PQD is 2y degree. Common between 2x degree plus 2y degree is 2. Now 2 will go to the right side, become divide. X plus y equal to 180 degree divided by 2. Here we get x plus y degree equal to 90 degree. Give the equation number 4. In triangle PQT, angle PTQ plus angle PQT plus angle QPT equal to 180 degree. Sum of measure of all angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Substitute the value of angle PQT y degree, angle QPT x degree. X plus y degree we have 90 degree from the equation number 4. Therefore, angle PTQ equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. Here we get angle PTQ equal to 90 degree. We have proved. Question number 9. Using the information given in the figure, find the measure of angle A, angle B, angle C. Solution. Angle B equal to 70 degree, vertically opposite angle. They form vertically opposite angle. Therefore, angle B is 70 degree. Give the equation number 1. Angle C plus 100 degree equal to 180 degree. They form angle in linear pair. Now, 100 degree will shift to the right side, become minus 100 degree. Therefore, angle C equal to 80 degree. Give the equation number 2. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Sum of measure all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Substitute the value of angle B 70 degree, angle C 80 degree. Here we get addition of 70 degree plus 80 degree 150 degree. Therefore, angle A equal to 180 degree minus 150 degree, we get angle A equal to 30 degree. Question number 10. In the figure, line DE parallel to line GF, ray EG and ray FG are bisector of angle DEM and angle DFM respectively. Prove that angle DEG is half of angle EDF. Second, EF equal to FG. Given information, line DE is parallel to line GF, ray EG and ray FG are bisector of angle DEM and angle DFM. Here we have to prove first angle DEG equal to half of angle EDF. Second, we have to prove EF equal to FG. Proof: angle DEG is congruent to angle GEF. Ray EG is a bisector of angle DEF. Let assume angle DEG equal to angle GEF x degree. Equation number 1. Angle DEF equal to angle DEG plus angle GEF. Angles addition. Therefore, angle DEF equal to x degree plus x degree. Already we have assumed angle DEG and angle GEF is x degree. So here we get angle DEF equal to 2x degree. Line DE is parallel to line GF and line EF is the transversal. In the given figure, if you see angle DEF is congruent to angle GFM, they form corresponding angles. Therefore, angle GFM equal to 2x degree, which we get from equation number 2. Now give the equation number 3 to this. Angle GFM equal to 2x degree. Now student, angle DFG is also congruent to angle GFM. Ray FG bisect angle DFM. Therefore, angle DFG equal to 2x degree, which we get from third, that is the equation number 4. Angle DFM equal to angle DFG plus angle GFM, angles addition. So here substitute the value of angle DFG 2x degree, GFM 2x degree. Therefore, angle DFM equal to 4x degree. Of 2x degree plus 2x degree, here we get angle DFM equal to 4x degree, that is the equation number 5. Now student, angle DFM is an exterior angle of triangle DEF. Therefore, angle DFM equal to angle EDF plus angle DEF, remote interior angle. Substitute the value of angle DFM 4x degree equal to angle EDF plus 2x degree. Therefore, angle EDF equal to 4x degree minus 2x degree. Here we get angle EDF equal to 2x degree. Now, the information, angle EDF equal to 2 into x, it was given. The x means angle DEG. From first we get. Therefore, angle DEG equal to 2 will move to the left side, it become half of angle EDF. Now student, line DE is parallel to line GF and line EG is the transversal, which is given information. Therefore, angle DEG is congruent to angle FGE. They form alternate angle. Therefore, FGE equal to x degree. Give the equation number 6. Already we have the value of DEG x degree. Therefore, in triangle FEG, if you see in the figure FEG, angle FEG is congruent to angle GEF from first and sixth. They form isosceles triangle theorem. Here we can say EF is equal to FG. Student, today we have completed the practice set number 3.1. Thank you for watching this video.